Hi guys! Joy evening! For today's video, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna throw away this used oil. Ito guys, gusto ko na siyang itapon. But it's a big no here in Japan na itapon lang ito guys direct sa ating sink. Kasi mabilis masira yung pipe pagka ganyan at saka babaho. So I'm gonna use this solidifier. So this is Katamete Pon. Nabili ko to guys sa Kandu. This brand is Kokubo. Katamete Pon. Ayan guys, that means solidify and toss. May English naman, completely solidifies used cooking oil. So this is made in Japan. Ayan nakalagay, disposable waste oil solidifier. So maraming mabibili nito guys sa mga home center, kahit nga sa Daiso meron nito. Ganito yung laman ng isang pack. 3 sachets na tig 20 grams. Per sachet guys, makakasolidify na siya ng 600 ml used cooking oil. Ayan, nakalagay. Oil hardening powder. So let me show you how to use this. Ang first ko na gagawin is iinitin ko muna guys yung used cooking oil kasi kailangan ilalagay yung powder while it's hot. Medyo mainit na yung cooking oil kaya naglagay na ako ng isang sachet at mag-a-add ako ng another sachet. And then, i-mix lang ito, guys. And then, pag na-mix na siya, just allow it to sit and cool until na mag-solidify siya, guys, into jelly. So, ayan, guys. Grabe, ang bilis. Ilang minutes lang. Jelly na siya. So, may mga visible pa nga, guys, na powder kasi nag-add pa ako ng another sachet just to be sure. But all you have to do guys is just follow the instructions na nakasulat sa package ng solidifier. So here in Japan, this is how you get rid of your used cooking oil. Ilalagay lang to guys sa plastic. And then lagay sa basurahan. Ganyan siya guys, oh, 'di ba? Ayan, naging jelly siya. O 'di ba, ang galing? The smartest and cleanest way to get rid of your used cooking oil.